Hi, in this video I will show you how to make your own Discord server tag. In order to do that, head over to the server that you're actually on. So I have in here my own server. So on your server, you can click onto this drop down icon, and from in there you can see this server boost option. Do take note that this option right here actually needs money in order to boost the server, or you can also do free boost with Nitro. We have level 1, level 2, and level 3 boosts, and you can just enable them through this part. Do take note that when you boost a server, it actually costs money. So another option that we can do in order to get the server tag is to head over and then join Epic E's Discord. Accept the invite, and then from in there, once you have accepted it, you can find in here particular servers that you can join that will give you particular tags. So just load in here this particular server that we have. From this part, you can see in here particular servers. We can see the server guild tags option. And you can just choose in here which kind of server you want to actually join in order to get particular guild tags. So that's how you make your own Discord server tag. Hope we help.